Method of data transmission: when two devices are transmitting data, which method or which type of method they are using. So we have two types of data transmission, two methods of data transmission. One is called serial method of data transmission, another one is called parallel method of data transmission. Let's talk about serial data transmission. What happens in serial data transmission? In serial, data is sent one bit at a time. So remember this keyword, one bit at a time. One bit is sent after the other bit. Data is sent using one wire channel. Obviously, we have only one wire and channel from which we are sending one bit at a time. We don't have multiple wires for sending data. Bits are sent one after the other as a single stream. Bits are sent one after the other. For example, you have a sender computer or a sender device. You have a one wire, one channel, and the receiver is receiving the bits one after the other. It is the most secure way of transmitting data. There is no problem of skewness or any other problem in serial data transmission. It works well over long distances. It has no problem of skewness. Another method is parallel data transmission method. What happens in parallel? Data is sent several bits at a time. Okay, so we are sending multiple bits, multiple ones and zeros at the same time. How are we able to do this? Because we are using several wires. So we have either 8 or 16 or 32 or 64 wires together, and we are sending that number of bits at the same time. Each wire transmits one bit. You have a sender, you have multiple wires, and you are sending the bits to the receiver. It is not the safest way. It is faster than serial. It is used in internal circuits of the computer because the distance is not so much. Uh, but if we are going to use it for longer distances, we are going to face the problem of skewness. What is skewness? Data may arrive unsynchronized because some bits may reach the destination before the other bits, and the receiver will be confused in organizing that data. Receiver will make errors in organizing the data. And there is also a problem of external interference in parallel transmission. What is external interference? The wires, all of these wires may change, may affect on the data, on the bits that are being transmitted, and they may change a 1 to a 0 or to a 0 to a 1 in other wires. So they can affect the transmission.